Hi everyone. Today's tutorial will show how to apply multiple discounts at checkout in a Shopify store. This feature can boost conversions and give customers more value, especially during promotions. Let's walk through the steps together. On the Shopify dashboard, go to Discounts on the left side of the screen. Now click here. You will see the option to create a new discount code. This can be found either in the upper right or as shown in the video. Just choose either option. The store will work the same. Next, click here to create a new discount. In this section, we will be choosing the amount off order. We will not use a specific discount because we want to allow multiple discounts. So, to allow multiple discounts, pick the amount off order option. Here, we can select whether it is a discount code or an automatic discount. Choose either one. Then, enter the discount code. Something like this. We can also set the discount value as a percentage and apply it to all customers. Here, we can set the purchase requirements, such as no minimum requirements, or we can add a minimum purchase amount or limit orders. Once everything is set, click here to set the dates, including the start date and time. We can also set an end date, so we know when the promotion will finish. When done, click Save. If there are any errors, just fix them and save again. Once the discount is created, we will see it listed. Now we already have a discount here. As we can see, there is a code for the first discount applied to all items. That's how to apply multiple discounts at checkout in a Shopify store. With the right setup, we can run better promotions and create a smoother checkout experience for customers.